What's up friends, Raju here. Welcome to my this new JPG tutorial. Do you know how do I promote JPG products for free? In this video, I will show you the easiest and the simplest method to promote JPG products for free. Let's see some of my JPG results. You see my today dashboard yesterday is 0. You don't need to show my results. If I reload it, you don't need to show my results. I will show you how you can make this type of results into your affiliate dashboard. Okay, so you have to complete this tutorial step by step. If you can follow all this tutorial and if you watch this tutorial, then I will show you everything. And you have to process 3 steps. At first you need a JVZoo account, then you have to choose the products that you promote on the market, and finally how you get the free traffic. All the 3 steps I will show you in this video. Okay guys, I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JVZoo and many other affiliate networks, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, and I am working here over 9 years. So guys, if you first inside my YouTube channel, okay, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, all of my new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. If you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, check my money making opportunities and you get the solution. Okay, it's an educational YouTube channel, and if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation here or check my video description. You can get it. Make 10,000 per month affiliate commission here. You can get access here, then you will get free buyer traffic. You can check it. Okay guys, let's come to the point how you can promote JVZoo products for free. Okay guys, now let's see why I love this method. Okay, at the first, you can promote JVZoo products. It's fine. You can promote Warrior Plus products. You can promote ClickBank products. You can promote Diggestar products applying this method. But I prefer JVZoo products because most of the JVZoo products are software. And in this method, I will show you how you can promote helpful software. That means video making software, writing software, text to video making software, this type of image making software. So this method is perfect for this, and you can make over 100 per day. Then you can make passive money online. Then it's 100% free traffic, nothing to invest. You don't need to use or buy any tools or any softwares. You don't need to make any review. That means it may be a video review or an article review. Don't need to make any reviews and don't need to wait for getting results. Okay, I will show you. You have to complete this tutorial, then you can apply this method right now today. Okay, then you don't need to any coding skill, any marketing skill, any working skills. Let's complete this tutorial, then you can understand it. And you just need less than 1 hour or less per day. Just it's enough, and it's 100% beginner friendly. Okay guys, now let me show all the 3 steps how you can create your JVZoo account, how you can choose the best products, best software to promote these JVZoo products, and finally how you can get the free traffic. Okay guys, after completing this tutorial, if you like this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to reply your queries. I honestly I want to help other people to make money online. So guys, let's check it. So guys, at a first you have to create your JVZoo account. It's so easy and simple to create your JVZoo account. Just you have to put your email address, your username, and you have to confirm your email address. After that, you will get this type of affiliate dashboard, and in the affiliate dashboard, this section you see here, approved product, find product. You can check the find products. Okay, then you will get all the best products of Warrior Plus. You can choose any of this product, and if you want to promote newly released product, then it's fine. I will show you how you can get newly released product of JVZoo and you can promote. You see here all the top selling products on JVZoo. You see here it's a video making software, video creation software. Then you will get a lot of helpful software here, and you have to promote this software. And most of the people find to get this type of software, video making software, video editing software, article writing software, and you can easily promote this type of. It's not a make money related method, it's not a CPA method, it's not a physical product. Okay, it's a software, so mind it, you can get a lot of opportunity to make sales. Okay, fine, you can choose any product from here. Then if you want to promote newly released product, then visit this website mansai.com. You see here it's mansai.com. You see all the newly released product of JVZoo. Okay, you see here all the newly released product here, all the just launched product here. All the big launch, all launch, all the just launch. Now it's a video freedom, it's another software of video making. Okay, now I want to promote this software. Write this method in this method and in front of you, so you can start promoting like me. Okay, open this product, then you will get the JB page. Okay, and inside the JB page you will get all the details about this product, all the sales page of this product, affiliate link, how to get affiliate link of this product, everything you will get inside this JB page. Okay, visit the JB page. You see here it's the JB page, and inside the JB page you see the JB document. I want to visit the JB document, and you see you will get all the source here, and inside the JB page promote video freedom, just click here and get your affiliate link. Okay, or you will get this affiliate link grabbing this promote this video freedom. Okay, just click here and get your affiliate link. Okay, okay, I already get this link, and you have to get your affiliate link like this. Okay, fine. Now you see here the JB document, and you will get all the info here. I need the sales page. Okay, here is the sales page of this product, and you have to focus another thing, email swipe. Okay, email swipe, you have to focus it, email swipe, you need it. Okay, in this method you need it. In the case of every product you get this email swipe, and you have to apply this email swipe. And you, if you can make your own mail, if you can write your own mail, then fine, then don't need to help from here. Okay, but if you can't write your own mail, then you can use their email swipe. Okay, and you will get it inside the JB document, inside the JB page. And you see here it's the sales page of this product. Now I want to promote this product. Do you agree with me? Do you want to promote like this? Okay, now I will show you how you can find out the best traffic. Okay, and it's 100% free. Don't need to use any software, don't need to use any running any ads, don't need any website, don't need any YouTube channel. Okay, now You can say, you can ask, how can it possible? Okay, I will show you how you can get your right traffic, right audience. Okay, now visit this website. But if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I will solve your problem. Okay, in every method, in every video, in every aspect, I will solve your problem. Okay, and if you interested to watch any specific video, a specific method, then comment in the comment box. I will try my best to make this type of videos. Okay. Now visit this website vivastreet.co.uk. Do you heard this name? It's a free classified website. You can post free ads here. Don't be afraid. You can think it doesn't work, this type of, no. In this case, you can get results because you are promoting software, and uh, a lot of people find this type of video making software or this type of helping software that you will get inside the JVZoo marketplace. Okay, so you can get it. Now sometimes some region can't open this site, then you can use VPN for using this site. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, now you have to create your account first. Click the my account. Okay, then you see here registered for free account. Click here. Simply put your email address, your re-enter your email address, your password, then individual or professional, your email ID. You are not a robot, and simply register here. Okay, after that you have to log in into your Viva Street website. Now I want to show you the traffic stats of this website per month. Okay, simply you can check it. You can check it using this website, SimilarWeb. Just simply copy the link. Now check it. You can check any website URL and you can get the traffic idea about the website. Okay, you see here it's a 2000 global ranking, almost 3000. Then here is the ranking of United Kingdom, and you see here over 9 million people visit per month this website. Okay, you see here over 9 million, huge people, and you will run your you can post your ads of the right targeted people. Okay, now your account has been completed. Now you have to post your ad. Just click here, post your ads. You have to verify you are not a robot. Okay, I am a human. Bicycles. Oh, sorry. Okay, I am verified. Now at the first you have to choose your category. Okay, click here. and it's a service. Then the subcategory others. Okay, now the postal code. In this case, in this website, it's not vital, but in this case, in this uh, free website, in this free site, you have to use United Kingdom postal code or USA related postal code. Okay, now I can use. Okay, you can simply find out. Okay, okay, you can put any of the postal code, it doesn't matter. Now you are individual. Okay, title of your ad, it's a fact. Now visit the sales page of this product. Create jaw dropping Hollywood style animated video. Okay. Mm. Okay. Okay, then if you want to run this ad for by running cost by running paid, if you run this ad by paid, then you have to use, you have to invest this dollar, but it doesn't not, matter, you don't need to do it. You can run free ads here. Okay, it's not necessary for you. Okay, now you have to put your description of your product. Thus simply make an description, get high class imaging, get videos. You have to write this description from, you can get it from the sales page or you can get it from all over. The sales page is open for you for getting. Okay, okay, you can add your description like this. Then don't use direct affiliate link here. Okay, you can contract by email. Okay, if you use direct affiliate link, then your ad can be banned, your account can be banned, your ad can be blocked. For this reason, you have to contact your audience using your email. Okay, when they contact with you using this email, then you can use this email swipe and you can send email them. That's it. Okay, and the highly targeted customer, highly targeted people will mail you. Otherwise you don't get random mails. Okay, if you get 10 mails, then you can get 4 or 5 sales minimum, I can assure you. Okay, now I am offering a service. Okay, language English. If you don't select it, it doesn't matter, but English. And if you can upload images here, and you get the images inside the sales page. You see here a lot of images here. You can select images here, and you see here your personal info, your phone number. Don't need to use your phone number here, and don't select any of this from here. Okay, don't need to do anything here. Okay, you have to cost money for it. Don't need to do it. Okay, and you see here website link, add link. Don't need to do it. Then you have to cost €3. And finally you can agree, and you are not a robot, and publish your ads. That's it. Now I want to repeat once again everything. At the first you have to choose your category, then service others category. Okay, then put the postal code, then you have to select the option individual, and here is the title, where is my description. Okay, it doesn't matter, you can get your description from here. Okay, contact me, and set your email. Okay, then I have offer something, then you can use images here. Don't need to put your personal info or phone number here, and don't select anything here. Don't need to add your website. I agree the term and condition, and I am not robot. And finally you can post published your ads. That's it. It takes few minutes to upload your picture and verifying your ads. Okay, you see here it's not approved yet. It takes some time to get approved. Okay guys, that's it. It's all the method, it's all the system to promote JVZoo products for free. Sometimes your ad cannot be approved, sometimes your ad can be blocked. It doesn't matter. You have to post ads time to time, then sometimes you get banned, you get blocked, and sometimes your ad can be approved and you get traffic. So guys, it's all the method, it's all the system. If you apply this method, if you follow this method, you must get results. So guys, that's it. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Rajubhadro, and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, all of my new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities here. Okay, a lot of money making opportunities here. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month by affiliate marketing, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, by this way I promote JVZoo products, JVZoo software for free. It's an easy and simple method, and if you follow this method, you must get results. So guys, like this video, comment this video, share this video. See you soon in the next video. God bless you. Bye.